Hi, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make some green chilaquiles. If you want to keep learning how to make them, keep on watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we're gonna need green tomatillos, 5 chile jalapenos, a piece of onion and 2 garlic cloves, epazote, about 3 to 4 leaves. Of course, your side, you're gonna need bolillos, they're Mexican bread, cacique, any sour cream of your light, cheese. Our last ingredient is the tortillas. My tortillas, I use the leftovers of any other tortilla that we eat in the house, and I dried them. So let's get started. We're gonna use these tortillas. They're leftovers, like I said, and we fry them. You're gonna get your pan, you're gonna put it to medium high, and you're gonna fill it up with oil. And I already have some ready, and they're gonna look like these. You're just gonna rip them apart. Or you could also get the brand Guerrero. You could cut them into little triangles, and you could fry them as well and make chilaquiles out of them too. So it doesn't really matter if they're leftovers like mine, or if you buy them in the Dorito ones, but like the chips only, original ones, not the Cheeto ones, of course, just like the regular hard tortilla. And you're gonna fry them a little bit if they're already hard. And after that, well, you could start making your chilaquiles. Put your peppers and your tomatillos to boil. You're gonna cover them up. And you're gonna also add the garlic cloves in there, 2 of them, and let them boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want them super soft. Tomatillos and your jalapenos are like this color. You could turn it off, and you're gonna do your salsa. Okay, so your chips, they're supposed to be looking like this. And once you're finished, I did a lot. Because, well, I have a big family, and yeah, that's why I got a lot of tortillas, and I fried them, and they're gonna look like this. They're not the perfect chips, all like triangle, but it still works. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to cut them perfect. However you cut them, they're perfectly fine. And yeah, just do your chilaquiles. Leftover oil, you could go ahead and put it in a container, and you could reuse it for whenever you do another cooking dish. You could use it. It's not dirty, it's just tortillas. So that's what I do with my leftover oil. I don't throw it away, nothing, no. I reuse it for another dish. So now for your salsa, you're gonna go ahead and blend it. Add your 2 garlic cloves and your piece of onion, and you're gonna add You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of your Knorr chicken flavor. And for the water that I added, I used the same water that they boiled. I just used that water, okay? if you find it that it needs a little bit of both, you could go ahead and add it. And once you're done doing that, just mix it, and you're gonna put your pot to heat up. Once it's hot, you're gonna pour the sauce into the pot. Okay, you're gonna add a little bit of oil, just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. I just got like super really just a little bit, tiny bit. Boiling like this, you could go ahead and add your chips. Could add the epazote. And you could turn it off. And your food is ready. So this is how I prepared my chilaquiles. I put cheese and sour cream. You could put whatever sour cream of your preference. On the side I put beans and white rice, and of course our bolillo. If you do not want to add none of those three ingredients, you could go ahead and eat them alone. They're also really good by themselves. Or you could top it off with whatever you like. And again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me some big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.